Today I show you how to check empty data in a dataset in Power BI. Go to transform in home tab, go to transform data, then again in home tab click in home tab transform. There are many tabs. Go to view tab, then column quality. This show the valid, error, empty, etc. I check all the columns where we have empty. Only we have empty row in last column. So we remove the null value. First we sort the data. It sorts all the null value in the first. We have 57 until 57 row we have null value. So we remove all the null value from here. Right click on the column. Right click on the this button. Then we remove empty. Remove empty. It remove all the empty row, empty data from the dataset. Now all the empty is zero. So this way we remove the empty value from the dataset.